What's up everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J here with a video overview of a huge collection. As you guys can tell by the title, it is the Too Faced Tutti Frutti collection, and this stuff just launched, and of course I was able to get my hands on it because I know that you all are going to be interested in it. There's so many different pieces of this collection, so let's go ahead and jump into the details. The official name of this collection is the Tutti Frutti collection, and the description on TwoFaced.com says that introducing Tutti Frutti, the new fabulous and fruity line that makes it impossible not to be the life of the party. These feminine pops of color infused with juicy scents and party-ready sparkle turns any moment into a Tutti Frutti celebration. I don't have every piece, but I do have quite a bit of this collection. This actually launched on Ulta.com as well as TwoFaced.com. Let's start with the eyeshadow palettes. First, here's the Sparkling Pineapple eyeshadow palette. This one has more so of the warm tones. The packaging of this is so cute. I love pineapples. I love this packaging. It's glittery. It has pineapples on it. It's pretty weighty. You can open it up on the side here. It has this little latch. It comes with a mirror. And it smells so fruity. It smells like pineapples. It has everything you need to create an eye look. I have this on my eyes now primarily. I do have another product on with it. But these eyeshadows are very creamy. There's a mix of different finishes in them. There's sparkles, there's shimmers, there's mattes. And then the Razzle Dazzle Berry palette, which is the grape type palette. And it has purples. Y'all know I'm a purple fan. It smells like Jolly Rancher grape, so like a candy type grape. I didn't do a look with this palette. I will have to do a separate video. I have one of the Twinkle Twinkle liquid glitter eyeshadows. There's actually 8 shades of these, and it is exactly what it says. It's a liquid glitter eyeshadow. I have it on top of my eyeshadow here. I have 2 of the Juicy Fruits lip products. These are called Comfort Lip Glazes. These are described as delicious candy finish lip glazes. One swipe payoff. So you'll see how that works in the demonstration. And we have the It's Bananas brightening setting powder. I think that this is the cutest thing ever. It is banana powder that has a design of bananas in it. I love that. It's a yellow powder. It's a very finely milled pressed powder. You can use it as a brightening powder. So a lot of people like brightening powders under their eyes and anywhere where you add a highlighted concealer or concealer type product. And here's the Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer. It's in the color Pineapple Sun. It's a highlighter slash bronzer duo. The highlighter is more natural, and then the bronzer, of course, is gonna bronze you up. There's not different colors of this. This works for my complexion. If you're any deeper than me, I don't know that it will work for you. We have the Cocktail Blush Duo. This one is Apricot in the Act, and it's again the split in one pan, so it's a highlighter and a blush. This is the more intense version of a highlighter. It's that very blinding bling blow highlighter, and then the matching blush. There's 4 different variations of this blush, and the last product that I have from this launch is the foundation, and this product is infused with juicy watermelon and fresh cucumber. There's 20 different colors of this foundation, and the description says, hydrate and brighten your complexion with this long wearing watermelon, cucumber, and vitamin C infused gel cream foundation that covers every flaw while creating a dewy, fresh, and luminous glow. Too Faced Tutti Frutti Do You Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation smooths, moisturizes, and nourishes skin for a flawless, fresh complexion that's one in a melon. This is supposed to be a very long wearing product, and it's supposed to be dewy. So of course I have it on now, and I have the color Sand. So that's everything that I have, but there's even more products that I didn't pick up. There's a Do You Fresh Glow setting spray. There's a Frosted Fruits highlighter stick in 2 different colors, and there's Fresh Squeezed highlighting drops also in 2 different colors. So let's go ahead and jump into the demonstration, and I will put the products that I do have into action. You guys can see how it performs. You can see how I build into this look. Let me know if you plan on picking up any of the pieces from this collection, and I look forward to reading your comments. So enjoy. The first shade that I'm going to take with my 217 blending brush is the color Yum Yum. I'm going to apply this all over the top half of my lid. I'm not going to put it on my lower lid. And this is going to set this eyeshadow here, and I also am going to blend it towards my crease. Same brush, and I'm going to take the color Passports and Pineapples. I'm just going to blend this directly in the crease. So back and forth, and this will be my transition color. Same brush, and I'm going to take the color Tutti Cutie, and I'm going to tap this right on the outer corner and bring it upwards. Keep packing it on until it's fully opaque. Now with the Chikuhodo GSN 9 brush, I'm going to take the color Island Queen. I'm going to pack this color on my lid and blend it over. And then I'm also going to blend it up just enough to meet the crease. So just pack this color on until it's opaque. Really pretty green golden shift color. Same brush, and I'm going to take the color Pineapple Cooler. And I'm going to pop this on the inner corner. I have my foundation here, and I actually got the wrong color, I think, but I'm going to try it out anyways. I have the color Sand. I'm going to squirt out 2 squirts, and I have my sponge. This is the Kelsee sponge, and let's see. I think it'll work, but I can stand to have 1 shade darker. Yeah, maybe like a half a shade darker. So that's 2 pumps on one side. So I need 2 more pumps for the other side. I think this actually looks pretty good. I would like to have half a shade darker, but this works. It's pretty medium coverage, so I still see imperfections peeking through, but it looks nice. It's dewy, it feels very light, and it smells very candy-like. It feels hydrating as well. Very glowy type product. So I have this liquid glitter eyeshadow. This one is in the color Macchiato Madness. And I already have it on top of the other eye, but I'm going to put it on this one on camera. I'm not going to go straight in with it. I like to apply some on the back of my hands with my flat shader brush, the Chikuhodo one. I'm going to pick this up and pat it on top of that green. And what I like about this is that it has a base color, but the base color is so sheer that applying it on top of this eyeshadow is not going to cover up the green. The green still is going to peek through, but this is going to add that glitter element. Going back with my Time for a pencil brush, I'm going to go back with the color Yum Yum. I'm going to apply that on the lower inner corner. Same brush, and I'm going to take the color Sparkling Pineapple. And I'm going to take this in the middle of the lower lash line. That built up so nicely, so it goes on really sheer, but the more layers you apply to it, the more glittery and sparkly and opaque it becomes. And then wiping off the brush just a little bit, I'm going to go back with Tutti Cutie. Right on the very outer corner, apply that color and connect it to the top. That looks good so far. I'm going to go ahead and add liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Bronzer time! This is a duo in Pineapple Sun. So I'm going to take the bronzer side with the Tom Ford 06 brush. Let's see how this bronzes me. It's going on pretty decently. It's kind of light. Let's see if we can build her. That's building up. I actually want to go in with the highlighter side. This is a Wayne Goss 03 brush. And I'm just going to lightly apply this. This is pretty. It's going on very soft. Very smooth. It's giving a nice, natural, highlighted look. So I think that it looks pretty decent. I like the way that it looks all together. Now under my eye, I'm going to brighten it using the banana powder. I have a Delium Tools 944 brush. I'm going to pack this under my eyes. Let's see. I'm going to try it under one eye first and see what it does. Ooh. I'm not mad at that. That's a very smooth brightening powder. So sometimes I need something to really brighten and lift and rejuvenate, and I feel like that looks really pretty. It's not overly yellow. It's a very pale yellow type, and it's very smooth, so it smoothed out that under eye. Ooh, okay, let's apply this. Alright, so this is Apricot in the Act. Apricot in the Act? How do you all say apricot? 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 Which one? So same brush, and I'm going to take this right here. This blingy gold. I knew I was gonna like this from the way that it looked in the pan. This is so pretty. So I'm just building on top of my highlight that was already there, that was more subtle. This one is more blinky. I like the way that this smells the most out of everything. And then I'm gonna dip into this blush side of it and hook that up. Let me line my lips. I'm gonna apply Grin and Bear It lightly. So let's overview everything. I absolutely adore the eyeshadow palettes. They are so well made. The formula of them is beautiful. I love the packaging of them. I love the smell of them. I love the colors. They're colors that we use, but it's also like pops of surprises of colors. The glitters are very high quality. I feel like they did an amazing job with these eyeshadow palettes. Super pretty, very on trend, and very user friendly. As far as the liquid glitter eyeshadow, I really like this as well because I like the multitude of glitter that's in it. However, if you're looking for something with a very strong base color, you're not going to find it here. But these are good if you want to do like how I did in the video and layer it on top of an already existing eyeshadow look. Face products. I want to start off with Pineapple Sun, and this is the highlighter and bronzer duo. This is not a bad product, but for me, it didn't perform quite the way that I wanted it to. This is a very light product in terms of color, so it shows up on me, but it's not going to build up to be very deep at all. The highlight is really pretty and can work on a lot of different complexions. The Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo, Apricot in the Act. I love this. I think that it's so pretty. I love how it builds up. You can wear this more sheared down. You can wear it more intensely. You can build it up really nice, and I love this color combination. I love the gold, and I love this blush. I feel like it's so pretty. I adore colors like this. This is my favorite type colors for my cheeks because I feel like it just really complements my complexion best. Next, let's talk about this setting powder. This is the It's Banana setting powder. I feel like this was a really well formulated powder again. I love the literal banana design in the banana powder. Sold me on it. And I feel like this color was really nice. It complemented my complexion. It actually brightened. It didn't leave a white cast. And I feel like it just looks smooth. And it's a very nice banana powder. So I really like it. And lastly, we have the foundation, the Do You Full Coverage Foundation. Now, I like this foundation. I feel like it went on really smoothly. It's very dewy. It felt very hydrating. However, it says it's full coverage. I don't think it's very full coverage. I think it's medium buildable coverage. So you can kind of build it there. But I wouldn't want to put a whole lot of this product because it's so dewy. I wouldn't want it to feel heavy on the skin. So the amount that I applied, I feel like it gave really pretty coverage, but I'm okay with some of my imperfections peeking through. The color that I picked, it was too light. I would have liked to gotten one darker, but I was relying on swatches online, and sometimes when people put swatches online, they will put a filter. The formula of this foundation is good. It smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. Overall, I really like this collection. I feel like it's a beautiful collection. I feel like Too Faced did a phenomenal job. All of these products are quality products. There's something here for everybody. There's so many different pieces and elements to this collection. Let me know what you guys think about this collection down in the comments section. Do you plan on picking up anything from it? And I will talk to you guys in my very next video, which will be super, super soon. Smooches. Bye.